Next one is quadratic formula. Someone asked me how to generate that equation, quadratic formula. Okay, I will explain it again. So consider our standard equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So I told you that the second method, completing the square, is not necessary for a syllabus, but without knowing it we cannot solve this equation, okay, because all the base is based on that completing the square. In that topic we learned that if you are getting an equation, first check the coefficient of x square, whether it is perfect square or not. Okay, same way we are going to proceed here. So here see the coefficient is a, and this is not in the standard form, that is, this is not the perfect square. So how to make it as a perfect square? Divide the entire equation by a or multiply by a, whatever, it's okay. So I am going to divide the entire equation by a. So divide by a, we will get x square plus b by a into x plus c by a equal to 0. Again, now group the x terms together and take the integer terms into the RHS side. Okay, so group it, x square plus b by a x equal to, it will become minus c by a. Till this clear now? Now we need to make it as our identities form, a plus b whole square form, that is we learned in our completing square method. That's why I thought without knowing that method we cannot generate the quadratic formula. Okay, for that I teach you completing this square. Now I told, if check the coefficient of x term, and if it is fraction, multiplied it by 1 by 2, that is in that term. So here the coefficient is b by a. What is the 1 into 1 by 2? We will get x square plus b by a x plus, see what is the sign here? According to the sign, the identity will be again, plus b by a into 1 by 2, it will become b by 2a. It is in the form of a plus b whole square. When we are adding a new term, similarly we need to add the term into the RHS side also for balancing the equation. It will become c by a plus b by a 2a whole square. Okay, so this we can write x plus b by 2a whole square, a plus b whole square form is equal to, now see, cross multiply this, minus c into 4a square plus ab square divided by 4a square into a. Now this part only I am telling about RHS part. It will become, take a outside, we will get minus 4ac, 1a is outside, so plus b square divided by 4a square into a. This a and this a will be cancelled. We will get the equation like this: x plus b by 2a whole square is equal to b square minus 4ac divided by 4a square. Okay, now this is square. When x plus b by 2a, it will become square root of Before that, don't forget to write plus or minus. Square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 4a square, taking the square root, we will get 2a. Okay. Now, x equal to x plus b by 2a is equal to, we got like this. From this, what is x? X equal to minus b by 2a. That means when plus b by 2a, moving on to RHS side, it will become minus b by 2a plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Again cross multiply this, we will get minus 2ab plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac into 2a divided by 2a into 2a. When taking the 2a terms outside, this 2a will be cancelled. Okay, so remaining is minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. X equal to. This is called our quadratic formula. Quadratic formula. This is an important formula for finding roots. In your examination, the question is asked, find the roots of given quadratic equation. You can use this formula. If specifically asked, find the roots of the given equation by factorization or by completing the square. You can, completing the square not in your syllabus, then you can apply that formula. Otherwise, you can apply this formula. Now, from here, I am going to tell you the nature of the roots also. See here, if b square minus 4ac, if the b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, in all our question, we get two roots, right? When applying quadratic formula. That time the b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. When it is greater than 0, we will get x equal to, x have two values, that is minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a and minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Like this two roots we will get when b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. When b square minus 4ac equal to 0, we will get x equal to minus b, this part is 0. So plus or minus 0 divided by 2a. That means we will get two equal roots, minus b by 2a and minus b by 2a. These are the two equal roots. When this term becoming 0, we will get two roots. When this term b square minus 4ac less than 0 means that value should be negative. Less than 0, that is imaginary roots. So the equation will have no real roots. Okay, that example we have done in our previous classes. Just check it. If this is a negative form, then the equation has no real roots. Okay, we cannot find. These are the nature of the roots. If it may be asked the question like find the nature of the roots of a given equation. That time you just generate what is the b square minus 4ac. If it is greater than 0, the equation has two distinct real roots. If it is equal to 0, the equation has two equal roots. If it is less than 0, the equation has no real roots. That much only. It is easy concept. When you understood this, then it is easy. Okay, clear?